All right, let's dive right in. Have you ever felt like you're navigating a digital labyrinth, just trying to find one simple piece of information? Like, say, your Gemini wallet address? You're staring at your screen, clicking through menus, wondering if you've accidentally stumbled into a crypto Bermuda Triangle where addresses just vanish. Yeah, me too. Look, we've all been there. The world of cryptocurrency, while revolutionary, can sometimes feel like trying to decipher ancient hieroglyphs. You want to send or receive digital assets on Gemini, but you're stuck on the first step. Where's that darn address? It's not like they printed on a big neon sign, is it? And let's be honest, those online tutorials aren't always the clearest. So, why is this important? Why are we even talking about this? Well, imagine you're trying to send Bitcoin to a friend. You've got the amount right, you've double-checked the network, but you're missing the crucial piece, the recipient's address. Without it, your crypto is going nowhere. Or worse, it could end up in the digital void, lost forever. Think of it like sending a physical letter without an address. It's just not going to reach its destination. And it's not just about sending crypto. Receiving assets is equally vital. Whether you're getting paid in Bitcoin, receiving a gift, or participating in a decentralized finance, DeFi, project, you need that address to direct the funds to your Gemini wallet. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back and understand what a wallet address actually is. In simple terms, it's a unique string of characters that identifies your digital wallet on the blockchain. Think of it as your bank account number, but for cryptocurrencies. It's what allows you to send and receive digital assets. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique address format. A Bitcoin address looks different from an Ethereum address, and so on. This is crucial to remember because sending the wrong type of cryptocurrency to the wrong address can result in irreversible loss. Always double-check that you're using the correct address for the specific cryptocurrency you're dealing with. Okay, enough with the theory. Let's get practical. How do you actually find your Gemini wallet address? First, you'll need to log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. Now, this is where things can get a bit tricky, as the interface might change slightly over time. But the general principle remains the same. Look for a section related to balances, wallets, or transfer. This is usually located on the top navigation bar or in a sidebar. Click on it. Next, you'll need to select the specific cryptocurrency you want to find the address for. For example, if you want your Bitcoin address, click on Bitcoin, BTC. If you need your Ethereum address, select Ethereum, ETH. Once you've selected the cryptocurrency, you should see options related to depositing, withdrawing, and viewing your balance. Look for the deposit option. This is where you'll find your wallet address. Clicking on deposit will typically generate your wallet address. It might appear as a long string of alphanumeric characters, or it might be accompanied by a QR code. Now, here's the golden rule: always double-check your address. Copy and paste it carefully, or use the QR code if you're transferring from a mobile device. Even a single incorrect character can lead to your funds being lost. Let's break down the process step by step, just to make sure we're crystal clear. Log into your Gemini account. Use your username and password, and complete any two-factor authentication steps. Navigate to the Balances, Wallets, or Transfer section. This might be in the top navigation bar or a sidebar. Select the cryptocurrency you want the address for. Choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other supported asset. Click on Deposit. This will reveal your wallet address. Copy and paste the address carefully, or use the QR code. Double-check that it matches the address you're sending to. Now, you might be wondering, what about different networks? This is another crucial point. Some cryptocurrencies, like Ethereum, can be sent on different networks, such as the Ethereum mainnet or Layer 2 solutions like Arbitrum or Optimism. When you select Deposit, Gemini should give you the option to choose the network. Make sure you select the correct network. Sending funds on the wrong network can also result in loss. For example, if you're sending Ethereum from another exchange or wallet, make sure you're both using the same network. If you're sending Ethereum on the Arbitrum network, make sure your Gemini deposit address is also on the Arbitrum network. Another thing to look out for is the potential for address changes. Some exchanges and wallets generate new addresses for each transaction to enhance privacy. While Gemini might not do this for every transaction, it's always a good idea to confirm the address each time you deposit. And what about security? Your wallet address is public information. Anyone can see it. However, your private keys, which allow you to access and spend your funds, should never be shared with anyone. Think of your wallet address as your public mailbox. Anyone can send mail to it, but only you have the key to open it. Your private keys are like that key. Keep them safe and secure. Now, let's address some common issues people encounter. I can't find the deposit button. If you're having trouble finding the deposit button, make sure you've selected the correct cryptocurrency. Also, check for any updates to the Gemini interface. Sometimes, exchanges update their layouts, which can change the location of certain features. My address isn't showing up. If your address isn't showing up, try refreshing the page or logging out and logging back in. If the issue persists, contact Gemini support. I sent crypto to the wrong address. If you've sent crypto to the wrong address, unfortunately, there's usually no way to recover it. This is why it's so important to double-check your address before sending. In summary, finding your Gemini wallet address is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Remember to navigate to the Balances, Wallets, or Transfer section, select the cryptocurrency you want, click on Deposit, and carefully copy and paste the address or use the QR code. Always double-check the address and the network to avoid any issues. And remember, security is paramount. Never share your private keys with anyone. Your wallet address is public, but your private keys are for your eyes only. The world of cryptocurrency is constantly evolving, and exchanges like Gemini are continuously updating their platforms. So, while this guide provides a general overview, always refer to the official Gemini documentation for the most up-to-date information. By understanding how to find your wallet address, you can confidently send and receive digital assets on Gemini. It's a fundamental skill that will serve you well in your cryptocurrency journey. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.